Good morning students. Welcome to my YouTube channel Mulix Academy. Today's topic is digestion of carbohydrates. We have already seen in our previous lectures that what are carbohydrates, how they are classified, what are the monosaccharide, what are the disaccharide and what are the polysaccharides. And today in this lecture we will see how these carbohydrates digest in our body. So let's start. So first we will see what are the dietary carbohydrates. It means if you are taking carbohydrates in a diet, then in which form. So dietary carbohydrates consist of, it may contain polysaccharides. We have already seen what are the polysaccharides. You can go the description and see the link. It may be disaccharides and it may be monosaccharides. Okay, these are the forms in which we can take carbohydrates in a diet. Polysaccharides like starch. It is a plant store. Carbohydrates in this form, in starch form, stored in plants. If you are non-veg, then you can take glycogen also, because it is a stored form of carbohydrates in animals. Then you can take cellulose also. So these are the polysaccharides you can take in your diet: starch, glycogen and cellulose. In disaccharides form you can take sucrose, table sugar is sucrose, then maltose. When starch hydrolyze, it will convert to maltose, and lactose. If you are taking milk, then it contains lactose sugar. Now in monosaccharide is mainly glucose and fructose and galactose also. So this is about the dietary carbohydrates. Okay. Now monosaccharides, there is no need of digestion before absorption in monosaccharide. Monosaccharide you can readily absorb. But for polysaccharide and for disaccharides, it must be hydrolyzed to simple sugar. Polysaccharide will convert to disaccharide and disaccharide will convert to monosaccharides. Okay, so it will hydrolyze and then will convert to simple sugar before their absorption. So how it will hydrolyze and how dietary carbohydrate can be absorbed, we will see. See, this is the dietary carbohydrates. We have already seen dietary carbohydrates can be in form of PS means polysaccharide, then disaccharide, or maybe in monosaccharides. Now we will see first digestion of polysaccharides. So the biomolecules, the digestion starts in mouth, that is carbohydrates. It means carbohydrate का digestion mouth से ही start हो जाता है. How? In mouth there is saliva, and in saliva there is an enzyme, that is salivary alpha amylase. Okay, salivary alpha amylase. Amylase जो कि starch को hydrolyze करता है. So it will be converted to dextrine. Okay, then after mouth there is a stomach, but in stomach there is no digestion because of high acidity of stomach. Even जो salivary amylase होगा उसकी activity भी वो भी inactive हो जाएगा in stomach. So there is no digestion in stomach. Okay, then dextrine will be in dextrine, then in small intestine. It means SI means small intestine. In small intestine there is pancreatic alpha amylase. It means pancreas से एक amylase आता है, that is called pancreatic alpha amylase, and it will convert dextrine to maltose. Maltose is what? Maltose is disaccharide. Same disaccharide आप ले सकते हो, maybe maltose, maybe sucrose and maybe lactose. Okay. Now what will happen? We will see in the next page. Here is maltose, then sucrose and then lactose. Now in intestine there is intestinal enzymes will act on these disaccharide. For maltose there is maltase. For sucrose there is sucrase. For lactose there is lactase enzyme will act. Maltase enzyme will act on maltose and it will convert it to glucose and glucose. We have already seen in our disaccharide lecture. Then sucrose will convert to sucrase will convert to sucrose in glucose and fructose. Then lactase will convert to lactose into glucose and galactose. Now what will happen? Glucose, fructose, galactose, these all are monosaccharides. So it will be absorbed in the bloodstream. Okay, fructose may be converted to glucose, galactose may be converted to glucose, or it may be directly absorbed in glucose. So this is about the digestion, flow chart of digestion of carbohydrates. Now we will see the digestion in mouth. So first is digestion in mouth. क्या हो रहा था माउथ में? We have already seen digestion of carbohydrates starts in mouth. In mouth, salivary glands secrete an enzyme that is called salivary alpha amylase. And this salivary amylase, or it is called ptyalin enzyme, it will hydrolyze the starch. This will hydrolyze the starch and it will convert it to dextrine. This is the digestion in mouth. Now digestion in stomach. We have already seen there is no digestion in stomach because of high acidity. स्टमक की एसिडिटी बहुत हाई होती है, सो कार्बोहाइड्रेट का कोई डाइजेशन स्टमक में नहीं होता. नेक्स्ट, डाइजेशन इन इंटेस्टाइन. इंटेस्टाइन में भी स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन मेनली. सो फर्दर डाइजेशन ऑफ कार्बोहाइड्रेट अकर्स इन द स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन. In small intestine there are two phases of digestion. First, digestion due to pancreatic amylase. जो पेंक्रियास से अमाइलेज एंजाइम आ रहा है उसकी वजह से जो डाइजेशन हो रहा है, सो डाइजेशन ड्यू टू पेंक्रियाटिक अमाइलेज. एंड सेकेंड जो डाइजेशन होता है दैट इज ड्यू टू इंटेस्टाइनल एंजाइम्स. सो डाइजेशन ड्यू टू intestinal enzyme like sucrase, maltase, lactase, isomaltase. Now first phase, that is digestion due to pancreatic alpha amylase. So pancreatic alpha amylase degrade dextrine. जो डेक्सट्रीन है उसको pancreatic alpha amylase degrade करेगा into a mixture of maltose, isomaltose. What is isomaltose? We have already seen in a disaccharide lecture. maltose, isomaltose and limit dextrine. What is limit dextrine? Limit dextrine are small oligosaccharides. Dextrine is also oligosaccharide, but limit dextrine is a small oligosaccharide which contain 4 to 5 glucose units only. Okay. Now the intestinal enzymes. Intestinal enzymes are present in the brush border membrane. जो इंटेस्टाइन की ब्रश बॉर्डर मेम्ब्रेन है वहाँ पर ये इंटेस्टाइनल एंजाइम्स जो हैं वो प्रेजेंट होंगे. लाइक माल्टेज विच डिग्रेड maltose and will convert to glucose and glucose, because maltose is a disaccharide which is formed by glucose and glucose. Then isomaltose, in presence of isomaltase enzyme, it will convert to glucose and glucose. Then sucrose, in presence of sucrase enzyme, it will convert to glucose and fructose. And now lactose, in presence of lactase enzyme, it will convert to glucose and galactose. This is about the intestinal enzymes. So end product of carbohydrate digestions are glucose, fructose and galactose, and these all are monosaccharides which are readily absorbed through the intestinal mucosal cells into the blood stream. So this is about the digestion of carbohydrates. In our next lecture, we will see how these monosaccharides or how these simple sugar will absorb into the bloodstream. Okay. Thank you. We will meet in the next lecture. Thank you so much.